Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to start new subject called Calculus 1 for Engineering, Chapter 2, Section 2.1. So, okay, before we can start, we have to know that Chapter 2 is talking about tangent line and velocity. So let's starting with Section 2.1. Okay, so I draw this diagram, or you can say graph. So you have here the graph. It is and we have 2 point 1 1 2, and we have 2 5. Okay, so here the question is find the slope of the secant line through 1 2 and 2 5. Okay, so the slope is m secant equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's rename this point 1 2 by 2 x2 y1 x1. So 5 minus 2 2 minus 1 3 over 1, it's equal 3. So the m secant equal 3. Okay, now let's write the secant line function. Secant line function, it is y equal, let's change the color. Okay, so it is y equal m secant x minus x naught plus y naught. Okay, so y equal m secant 3. Let's take the point 1 2. So y equal 3 x minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so we have the graph. So this function, the secant line function, so we have the secant line function here, and it is represent this line. Okay, because we have 2 points and we find the slope. After that we find the secant line function. Okay, second thing we should write now, pick 1 2 same point and get another point closes to the first one. So we take 1.05 2.1025. Okay, so now we bring the second point closer and closer to the first one, and let second point be 1 plus h f1 plus h, where h is small. So now what happens to m secant as h approach to 0? Right here. What happens to m secant as h approach to x? So basically we have to limit h approach to 0, and you have to write the m secant. So m secant here, there's f1 plus h, it represent y, and 1 plus h, it represent h, x. So we write f1 plus h minus f1, and f1 it represent, like, we have the function, and we have to replace the x by 1, okay, over 1 plus h minus 1. So okay, yeah, so 1 with 1 it will cancel. That means f1 plus h minus f1 over h. Okay, so okay, we have here we have lim h approach to 0, and we have to take, okay, we have secant equal f1 plus h square plus 1 minus 2 over h. It's equal lim h approach to 0, 1 plus 2h. We have to simplify it, so we say 1 square plus 2 times 1 times h, that means 2h plus h square minus 1, and over here we have h. So we can say that 1 with 1, so it is be 2h plus h2 h square, sorry, over h. So we have it here, 2h plus h square over h. And when you factorize it, you have to take h, 2 plus h, and over h. H cancel with h in the denominator. We have 2 plus h. This limit h approach to 0, so that means 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay, so this line is called tangent line to y equal fx at x approach to 1, x equal to 1. And when we want to write the secant line, we said y equal 2 because the slope is 2, x minus 1 plus 2, that equal 2x minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, that means 0, so it's 2x, so the y it's 2x. After that, let's say you can say slope of secant line to y equal fx through points A, FA and A plus H, FA plus H, and it is m secant equal FA plus H minus FA over A plus H minus H, so A with cancel with A because it's equal to 0, so you have A plus H, FA plus H minus FA over H. So slope of tangent line, at x equal A is y equal m tan x minus A plus FA, where FA it represents the y and A it represents the x, so it is like A and FA. Okay, so m tan equal limit h approach to 0 FA plus H minus FA over H if it exists. And the tangent line at x approach to A, it's y equal m tan x minus A plus FA.